Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials in place: a notebook, a pen, and a timer set to 10 to 15 minutes. Pick one focused question or concept to attack now, not 5. Once chosen, start writing immediately, no planning paralysis. Let ideas spill onto the page. This forces retrieval and reveals gaps. Make sure to write freely for the full interval, because speed exposes confusion and creates a raw map you will refine next. Once done with your raw scribble, read it once and underline the 3 key ideas or obvious errors you see. You now rescribble a single section. Clarify logic, add labels, or sketch a quick diagram to show relationships. Use arrows and short margin notes to connect thoughts. This turns scattered notes into a coherent mini outline. Keep working in short bursts so you preserve momentum. This stage is about turning messy output into usable structure. Finish by condensing your work into one clear sentence, then test it. Explain the concept aloud for 60 seconds. If you trip up, pinpoint the exact sentence that fails and do another focused 10 to 15-minute scribble on that weak spot. Make sure to write a single-step worked example. Often the act of writing one concrete instance shows the logical break. If things still go wrong, slow your pace and enforce explicit step-by-step notation until the idea holds together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.